y'all ready for this?
Hello mga momshies, let's make dinner for the family. Let's make the dressing for our salad, for our vegetable salad. So I started warming the olive oil, and then I added pine nuts because I love pine nuts on my salad. And then after a few minutes we added the dried cranberries, so it will enhance the flavor of our dressing, because cranberry is a little sweet, and not sweet, not a little, it's really sweet, so it will add flavors. Then that's it guys, it's very simple dressing, just olive oil, pine nuts, and cranberry, and warm them together and add it to our prepared salad vegetables. So any vegetables you like could work. I love this stream. Whatever is available in our fridge is what I used. And also I enhanced the flavor by using the balsamic vinegar, because it has a tangy flavor. So I added to my salad, and also salt and a little salt and pepper and Italian seasoning. So that's it guys, our prepared salad. It goes with the steak. The steak is cooked perfectly with my husband, and we enjoyed our dinner with the steak and salad. This is our treat guys, when we're craving yummy food, so we just cook it at home. So this is it. It looks like a fine dining restaurant meal. Thank you.